Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Esther and welcome to my kitchen. So I'm showing you guys my top 4 superfood lattes. If you have a friend who loves to eat healthy, make this for them. Or if you just met somebody who is, healthy and you like them, this is definitely the kind of thing that will impress that person. I mean, if I went to someone's, or if I went on a date, or if I went to someone's place and they put a superfood latte like this in front of me, I'd be like, I think I'm in love. I'm gonna stop rambling so that I can get right into the recipes.
This is all very self-explanatory. Like you can see, it's very simple to make. I do want to mention though, I am using a almond milk base that is blended with dates and vanilla extract because I usually love adding flavor to my almond milk when I make it at the beginning of the week. And this way all of your lattes, your cereal or smoothies have that sweet vanilla base, which just tastes amazing in my opinion.
So I do have a few tips. If you do not have a fast or a high-speed blender like I do, you can use a spoon and simply a cup and just mix everything together. But what I would recommend if you're doing it by hand is starting off with a little bit of liquid, adding like maybe a tablespoon of liquid, adding your powder, mixing that in, dissolving everything really well, and using the back of your spoon to make sure everything's properly dissolved, and then add the rest of your milk. I buy all of my superfoods on Amazon.com. Sometimes I'll just go into Whole Foods and check if anything is on sale. If it's not on sale, I really won't buy anything in a supermarket or a health food store because it's always gonna be way more expensive than it would be if you bought it online. I'm gonna go ahead and try the turmeric because it's always my favorite. I think I'm just gonna try all of them. This is the dragon fruit or pitaya. It really tastes just like dragon fruit, which is really good. I really like the beetroot. I think it tastes like earthy. You can definitely add something sweet to this because it is a very earthy flavor. Last but not least, The Blue Majik tastes so good. It's like a better version of spirulina. It is the same thing, it's just blue algae, but this has definitely a much more subtle flavor. It's not as fishy and stinky as the spirulina, although spirulina is also another great option. You can just use a little bit less powder. All right, that's it guys. Definitely subscribe if you have not already. What are you waiting for? Give this video a like because it helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and you can also follow me on Instagram, which is where I am most active, and on here as well, I guess. But that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Bye!